Have you ever shown someone a photo you're proud of and they've said, wow, you must have a really good camera? Yeah, that one always makes me smile too, and I'm pretty sure that's a backhanded compliment. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. So here's the thing, the camera is not the photographer. The camera just records what's there. You decide what matters. When you really know your camera, it gives you options, it gives you efficiency, it gives you freedom, but most importantly, it gives you control. And when you're in control, you're confident. And when you're confident, you are far more likely to be creative. So don't aim for perfection, aim for familiarity. Spend time with your camera until you're not thinking about buttons or dials or settings, you're just using it. Know your camera like a musician knows their instrument. They're not thinking about each note, they're thinking about the music. That's when photography stops being a technical task and starts becoming an art form. Because really knowing your camera isn't just technical, it's transformative. And it frees you to focus on the most important thing of all, seeing. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.